Alright guys, so we're back and we're doing a little V-band action on my buddy Dustin's truck. We're going to weld some V-bands on here, and we're also going to put a O-tube on in this three-way elephant trunk. And so yeah, we're gonna get after it. I'm gonna try to clean. I've never welded before. This is my first time ever welding. So I'm learning as I go, you know. It's kind of that kind of sort of thing. And so yeah, I mean it might come out pretty good. Just kidding. I only weld on the weekends. When I'm not fishing. Oh, get it back in there, buddy. I don't know what color Scotch-Brite y'all use, but I use this color, which is whatever color I have on hand. My buddy Dustin, he's fixing to learn how to weld today. Not sure how this is going to weld because I really haven't welded that much with this new welder. But we're going to see how it's going to go. Maybe it'll go good. Who knows? If I don't drop the hose first. So these things right here, we get these at the paper mill, and I just want to drop everything today. So we get these sleeves at the paper mill, which is what my normal job is, and we kind of get them by the dozen. Well, the paper mill does, we don't. We only get them like one or two at a time. So yeah, let's try this out. Maybe. Whoa! Seat gonna go crazy. Let's see how this welds. Here we go. Let's get this that thing might be whoa. 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 Well, I don't wanna whoa. Here we go. Oh, that thing weld like butter. I can't hardly sit down. Woo! About to stab myself in the face right then. Here we go. Thing penetrating. It's pretty. So now let's flip it over and do the same thing again. Hey, get in there. Pretty. I don't know what to do with my hands. don't know what to do with my hands. So now we have to ooh, this thing hot. Burn myself. So voila! That part's done. Now we got to drill a hole for the O2 bone, for the sensor to go inside there so it can read all the AFRs that we needed to read. So whenever we put the turbo and the boost and the nitrous and the supercharger all into one, it comes out the exhaust and breathes dragon fire. Now we are welding the O2 sensor one pass after we stop 72 times. After I make one pass. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, gotta back her up some. And then this is how we weld an O2 sensor into a exhaust. Gotta try to make it as ugly as possible, so we make sure that it don't never fall out. So this end is titanium Harbor Freight MiG 170 welder. This welder is pretty awesome. I like it. It works very well. I had a Lincoln and it just kept on tearing up on me. I don't know why, but it would tear up left and right. But for the most part, this right here pretty much done what we needed to do. We're going to get this Y pipe put on here, and he's going to get the Y pipe put on, and once we get that done, then we can finish the rest of the exhaust for the truck, and we're going to try to get this thing crunk up and see how it sounds.
Foley obviously had to be about 2 or 3
What are you doing under there?
Really, really good. Even as low as it is, obviously we still have to do the rear. Even with the bag all the way down.
What are you doing under there?
The oil pan, transmission pan, all
What are you playing with?
nuts.
Nuts.
Getting exhaust already.
Big long elephant trunk fixing to go on this thing. Alright, so what we're going after, we got the V-bands welded up here. Got the 3-inch going all the way down. Going over the frame and coming to this side. It's gonna come down and we're gonna go exit right in the middle of the the bed. As of right now, we got good clearance around the frame. Plenty here and plenty here. We actually can do a little bit more of a bend, which we may do. But as of right now, we're out of 3-inch piping, and we have to get some more. So, and we're going, and he's going to order some tips so we can come out the side of the bed right now. But we are going to crank it up and give y'all a little sound clip, and call it that until we get some tips ordered, and then we'll be able to finish the rest of the bed. But we are going to let it down and crank it up just to see what it sounds like. We got the O2 sensors in the headers now. Got the 3-way, the Y pipe on, and we're going to see what she sounds like. So